In this video, we'll be camping in my Tesla using this insane tent that transforms your Tesla into a spacious and comfortable space for up to 6 people, complete with windows, 2 canopies, and cool AC using Tesla's camp mode. This is going to be fun, so let's get right into it. First, I'd like to thank this video sponsor, OtriFowd, for sending me their new AC tent for review. The AC tent is a new product that lets you use your Tesla's camp mode in a whole new way by allowing you to connect it to your Tesla to comfortably camp using it as a source of AC and entertainment. I will admit, I'm not a fan of camping, mostly due to being uncomfortable on hot nights and not having any electricity. But today, we're gonna set up and go camping overnight using the AC tent. Let's see if it can improve the experience and make me change my mind about camping. Before we start, we need to make sure we have the right accessories for our camping trip in the Tesla. Here's what we'll bring. A mobile charger to keep the Tesla charged up, Xbox controller to play games in the Tesla, a Tesla garbage bag and trash bags to keep things clean and tidy, a window sunshade for privacy and to keep the sun out, this cool portable vacuum to clean up our messes, and a power inverter to keep our devices powered and charged. The FlexiHub 2-in-1 hub, which is another product by OtriFowd. It's a retractable USB-C and lightning cables to keep your phones and devices charged while keeping your center console free of wire clutter. Of course, we'll be bringing the camping basics like food and snacks, bug spray, flashlights, first aid kit, games, folding chairs, and this trunk organizer to put most of this stuff in. Lastly, we can't forget about the air mattress and pillows. Now that we have the car all packed, there's one thing I want to get done before we leave. OtriFowd also sent me their FullShade 2.0 retractable sunshades, which will be great during our camping experience to block out sunlight and give us more privacy while we sleep. It's pretty hot out, so let's install this before we get to the campsite. The FullShade is installed and we're all ready to go. Okay, so we arrived at the campground and now it's time to set up the AC tent. From the installation video, the tent should take at most 20 minutes to set up. So let's take it out of the storage bag and see how long and easy it is to get everything set up. Okay, the setup took much longer than expected, mainly due to the frame being attached to the tent instead of packaged separately as shown in OtriFowd's installation video. There was also a loose screw and nut missing from the frame, which led me to leave the campsite to buy a new one and continue the installation. This may not be OtriFowd's fault, as the screw could have come loose during transit and the nut was so small that I may have missed it. I also wasn't prepared as I didn't have a hammer to fasten the stakes into the ground. Luckily, there was a generous camper who let me borrow one. Other than those setbacks, the rest of the installation was pretty straightforward and will be easier next time now I know exactly what to expect. Now that we have the AC tent installed, let's review its features. First off, the tent is 81 square feet and is big enough to sleep 6 people. It features large windows on all 3 sides and the roof to allow airflow throughout, and it's also sealed on all sides to prevent letting bugs and pests inside. The included air collector installs into your Tesla's cabin and is made to channel the air from your HVAC system directly to the back of the Tesla and into the AC tent to keep it cool or warm throughout the night. The tent is made of 210T grid fabric that is very durable and creates a good seal to allow your Tesla's AC to keep the car cool without excess heat getting inside. The top of the tent covers the entire back portion of the Tesla to prevent rain from entering the vehicle while the trunk is open. It also features an opening for your charging port, showing OtriFowd's attention to detail. And lastly, the cool thing about this tent is that it can also be used without your Tesla. It's been a nice day, but now it's almost time for bed. So let's plug in the Tesla and turn on its camp mode features, which allows you to power electronics through the USB ports and low voltage outlet while maintaining the cabin temperature. The touchscreen remains on so you can play music, browse the internet, and play games on the arcade or watch shows in the Tesla theater. The climate control system attempts to maintain your climate settings until you shift out of park, manually turn it off, or until the battery drops below 20%. So it will be good to run throughout the night. Suppose the battery charge level drops below 20%. In that case, the Tesla mobile app attempts to repeatedly send notifications reminding you to check anything that you have left in the car. To finish the night, I brought my XGIMI portable projector and portable projector screen to have a little movie night with some friends. You can check out a video I made on that here. The following day, we woke up nice and refreshed. Camp mode was able to stay on and keep the tent cool throughout the night. Thanks to the mesh closing between the tent and the Tesla, it was able to keep the tent bug and pest free while still letting the cool air flow between the Tesla and the tent. With the AC on all night, the Tesla's battery took a minor hit of about 15%, which I think is suitable for the AC being set to 60 degrees and at max speed all night. Now it's time to pack up and take down the AC tent. Hopefully it will be as easy as it was to put up. You can see that I'm disassembling the aluminum rods from the tent. However, after I recorded this portion of the video, I realized that there is no need to disassemble these rods, as they can stay attached to the tent and be folded together to make the next setup quick and convenient. So there you have it. Camping in my Tesla was a success thanks to OtriFowd's AC-Tent. The experience was great. Here's what I liked. I like the tent's quality and the space it offers. I like the idea of being able to keep cool using your Tesla, and I like how portable the tent is. If you enjoy camping regularly, you can keep it in your Tesla without it taking up too much room. There wasn't anything to dislike about the tent, but one thing that could be better is the included instructions. I don't have it on me, but it was a foldable paper with drawings and arrows. There was no text to explain what is what and what goes where. I did ask OtriFowd for instructions and they were able to send me a video guide, which was great, but only will be of use to those camping in a location with internet service to view the video. Other than that, the tent is great and does what it set out to do. I'm already planning to use it on another camping trip soon. If you guys want to get out there and try Tesla camping for yourself, you can get the AC tent, the FullShade 2.0, and FlexiHub, as well as all of the accessories I used in this video down below in this video's description. If you enjoyed this content, give this video a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more awesome Tesla content like these two videos. Until next time, peace.